Welcome to the water section. Water and sanitation will be the focus area for GSP Audit 2016. We all know that water today is one of the most stressed resources on our planet. Schools and the students can lead from the front in turning the tide. We want students to discover the forgotten practice of rainwater harvesting and learn to conserve water responsibly. We will teach you step by step on how to fill up the water section of the audit. Let's start by opening the page here, www.greenschoolsprogram.org. When the page opens, you will see 8 sections, namely school profiling, general questions, air, energy, food, land, water, and waste. Click on the water section and carry on with the audit. Let's come to task 1. We need to first create a team of 10 students who will monitor the water habits of the school. This team will be headed by either a science or a social science teacher. You can also ask help of the administrative staff of your school and other staff members, such as the plumber, the electrician, and the maintenance staff. In the space given under task 1, fill in the name of the 3 teachers, 5 administrative staff, and the names of 10 students along with their email ID who will be part of the water audit team. Now that we have a team ready, let us look at the responsibilities of this team. Task 2 talks about the school's total consumption level of water in the school. Students can get the data by monitoring the overhead tanks or from the school's water meter. The total consumption per day of the school should be shared. To find total consumption, monitor water consumption over once every week for 3 weeks spread over 1 month and take the average. For example, you can monitor the water consumption on 5th August, 15th August, and 25th August. Add all 3 total consumptions and divide the total consumption by the number of days of observation, that is 3 days. You will get the average per day water consumption. To know about the process of collecting the data, click on the tooltip key just next to the question and you will find the details there. Also select the proper category of your school by choosing what is applicable from the list of options that are given. If 60 or 75% of the school's population belongs to one category and the balance to another, select the category the majority of the students belong to. If the number of students in each category is equally distributed, then choose the option which is a combination of both the categories. For example, if 50% of the students are day boarders and 50% are residential, select day boarding plus residential. Who uses or consumes water in your school? In order to answer these questions, the audit team will have to find out permanent members as well as visitors of the school. If you have any difficulty in filling up the answer, go to the tooltip key for help. Further, while calculating the school's water consumption per activity, please monitor over a period of 15 working days. Remember, as and when you find information, you can populate the section. Press save and resume later. Task 3 will allow the team to find out about the sources, supply, and storage of water in the school premises. The audit team will interview the administrative staff to collect the information on the source, supplier of water. The team can divide itself into 2 or 3 separate subgroups to carry out this audit. Remember, your school can have more than one source of water. For questions with multiple choices, please tick against the correct option or options. For questions related to supply of water, you have to select yes for daily supply of water and no if the school doesn't get regular or daily supply of water. Task 4 focuses on the water conservation methods practiced by your school. This task will create a sense for judicious use of water. There is a table to check the presence of water-efficient fixtures in the school, the different water conservation activities and policies adopted by the school. Fill up the table accordingly with either a yes or no against the questions. Please upload all the supporting documents of this task as either PDF document or Word document and image document in JPG or JPEG format. Remember, your supporting documents should not exceed 500 KB. In Task 5, you will get to know if your school harvests rainwater. While answering the questions, do take help of the tooltip key in case of confusion. If you report having a rainwater system in your school, then more questions related to rainwater harvesting will follow. Be careful while answering questions which have radio buttons. You don't want to give the incorrect answer, right? For all the multiple choice questions, choose the suitable options. If your school does not have a rainwater harvesting structure, then calculate your school's rainwater harvesting potential by using the given formula. Don't forget to upload the supporting documents of this task in either PDF or Word format and images in JPG or JPEG format. Remember, the file should not exceed 500 KB. Proper sanitation facility is a must for a child's health, and in Task 6, the focus is on the plumbing and sanitation facilities in your school. Learn about the available plumbing and sanitation facilities in and around the school campus and check if what is provided for is enough or not. This task has a table along with other questions which all need to be answered with a yes or a no accordingly. For guidelines on adequate sanitary facilities, you may refer to Knowledge Portal, Water section or GSP Manual Water Supplement. The last task in the water section, Task 7, is to find out if the school reuses or recycles wastewater. Please select No if your school does not have a wastewater treatment facility and specify the fate of wastewater from the given options. If your school practices wastewater reuse or recycle, then answer the questions that follow by choosing the appropriate given options. To get best results, try to answer all the questions as well as sub-questions. To authenticate your report, please upload necessary or relevant documents and even pictures wherever possible. A list of suggested documents is provided at the end of the water section, which you may refer to. Congratulations, you have completed the water section, which is the focus area for GSP Audit 2016. Every bit of information that you fill into the section will go a long way in the pursuit for making judicious use of water available. Always remember, every drop of water counts. Its optimum use, disposal, and reuse matters for our survival. Take care and goodbye.